Now in just a moment, I'm going to present a whole new video where you can earn huge money online just by using Google Translator for 100% free. And you can make thousands of dollars. To do that, you must follow my simple and easy instructions in this video. You do not need any skills or experience to do this, and the best part about this method is that you do not have to pay any money to do this, and it is available worldwide from the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, India, Philippines, Nigeria or Pakistan. There are a lot of opportunities, so you can utilize this technique, and this is how much money you can make. If you translate 2 files using Google Translate, you can make between $100 to $150. If you translate 4 files, you can earn up to $450. If you translate 8 files, you can earn up to $700, and the earning potential is insane. Also, you can do this over and over again. Before we go further to this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a brand new video, and you will be the first to learn and keep up with the new ways to make money online. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment down below. So in a minute, I'm going to teach you all the steps you need to take. You can do it on your computer or in your smartphones, and I show you how to utilize Google Translate to make a lot more money. But you have to follow my instruction first. Go to this website called latium.org. I'm going to leave this website link on the screen for now. Also, I would like to teach you how to join up and explain you how it works, as well as the process and training in this video, so you can do exactly what I did before, so you can go ahead and try it yourself. So right now I want to show you there's a lot of earning potential on this website. As you can see, from the reward offer $1,500 up to $3,000, a lot of earning potential. So let me show you how it works quickly, and then I will show you how to sign up, enter in a free sign up bonus of free money in just a moment. So make sure you don't miss out. But first and foremost, when you sign up for this website, you'll be able to browse through different projects similar to what I just showed you. There are different projects, different offers and different jobs that you can do and earn US dollars in cryptocurrencies, PayPal money and variety of other payment methods that you prefer in your account. So now you can go to the Latium website and take a new project, then submit it, and then you can start working right away. So the step number 2 is just finish the project and then submit it your work through the Latium contract magnet system. And step number 3, which is what we love to do, is that once your work has been reviewed and approved, your payment will be released immediately to your Latium wallet with no delays. So when you go to the latium.org website, click on it, I want to work, and then click on this website right here, and then you will be sent to this page where you have to enter your first name, last name, email logins and password. Simply click on the I'm not robot and then click on the continue button. So after you join up, you should be able to earn free $1 sign up bonus, but you must first verify your email address. So just check your mailbox and click on the activation link so that they can just set up your Latium account, and you should be able to see your free first dollar. Once you log into your account, click on browse projects. You should be able to see all the different projects that you can join, and you can just do the jobs and get paid. The problem is that there are so many projects and so many things to do, like I don't know how to perform graphic design, website, software development or usability testing. For example, the good thing about this is that you do not need any skill or experience to do it. All you have to do is just focus on the translation and language. When you get out here, you just click on this translation and language on the top right corner. Over here you will see that there are other translation and language projects that you can do. As you can see here, I show you some examples of jobs that you can receive and earn some money. And you want to translate your jobs from Hindi to English, and then you can earn $75. And there are some projects that they want you to translate from Japanese, and you have to translate them from Japanese to English, and then you can earn $75. So once you completed your task, they will pay you in your cryptocurrencies such as bitcoins, other currencies listed here, or you get paid in US dollars by bank transfer, PayPal money, or online money, or Payoneer. There are a variety of payment options available on this website. So as you can see, this has won the article that you can receive, and this is an Hindi article. Now if you know anything about Hindi article, or if you are from India, leave a comment down below. Let me know, because you can basically translate these Hindi articles into English and make money online. I understand that many of you are coming from all over the world, may not able to translate different languages, but the thing is, I'm only going to show you in this video how you can use the power of Google Translate to do all the hard work for you and automate the process so you can make money over and over again. But you are going to follow my steps. As you can see here, the first, I want you to go onto Google Translate. As you can see here, you may pick up and copy and paste languages right here on the left hand, and then the language will be instantly translated into English. But this is really small. To make it bigger, all I have to do is just go ahead and here googletranslate.com, click on this link, and you will be sent to this page, which is much simpler to work on because it's larger. So first of all, just come over on the left hand side. You want to paste the article, and when you get your job, you can see where you can copy everything for. And I'm going to copy this right here. So all I have to do is just go on the right click and copy this one, and then I'm going to come back here to Google Translate, and then I'm going to paste everything right here. So as you can see here, Hindi is recognized, which means that Google Translate will determine that this is an Hindi language and will perform this translation into English, as you can see here. So what I want to do is just copy everything to accomplish that. So I just click and copy on this one, or simply click on this copy button right here, and I start a new document. Just right click on file and select new and select document. So I can put my English translation into this document right now. I'm going to do it all over again. I'm going to come over here and highlight the next part. Then I'm simply going to copy this one right again, and then remove everything and simply put the new content right here. Then I wait for the translation to English. So you may continue the procedure again and again using this approach. Alternatively, you can simply submit the full document as shown below. You may translate the text like how I demonstrated right now, and you can simply click on this page to browse your computer and upload the whole Google document right here to this Google Translator, which will instantly translate the entire content for you. After that, you may submit it to the various jobs and will be get paid fast. For example, they will give you somewhat lesser amount of Hindi, but if you are lucky enough, you might get some Spanish or German languages or even Japanese, and they pay you up to $100 each job you do, and all you have to do is just repeat the process. For instance, I will just highlight this Japanese language. I'm just going to copy this one, and then I go back to the Google Translate and then paste it right here. After that, we will be translating your content into English. It's fairly easy procedure that I feel anyone can repeat it. You can do it on your phone or on your computer. So don't worry, simply just go to google.com and type in Google Translator to have this program or application perform all the work for you. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look on my other videos. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you soon.